Welcome to English Rush.
Today's video features present, past, and future tenses of action verbs. Watch till the end for a fun quiz.
Don't forget to subscribe, and turn the notification bell on.
I run. I ran. I will run. I eat. I ate. I will eat. I write. I wrote. I will write. I play. I played. I will play. I sing. I sang. I will sing. I dance. I danced. I will dance. I speak. I spoke. I will speak. I read. I read. I will read. I walk. I walked. I will walk. I jump. I jumped. I will jump. I cook. I cooked. I will cook. I sleep. I slept. I will sleep. I drink. I drank. I will drink. I drive. I drove. I will drive. I swim. I swam. I will swim. I learn. I learned. I will learn. I watch. I watched. I will watch. I listen. I listened. I will listen. I paint. I painted. I will paint. I shop. I shopped. I will shop. I plan. I planned. I will plan. I travel. I traveled. I will travel. I fix. I fixed. I will fix. I build. I built. I will build. I teach. I taught. I will teach. I draw. I drew. I will draw. I shout. I shouted. I will shout. I clean. I cleaned. I will clean. I help. I helped. I will help. I rest. I rested. I will rest. I love. I loved. I will love. I hate. I hated. I will hate. I move. I moved. I will move. I sit. I sat. I will sit. I stand. I stood. I will stand. I open. I opened. I will open. I close. I closed. I will close. I wait. I waited. I will wait. I change. I changed. I will change. I grow. I grew. I will grow. I skip. I skipped. I will skip. I hug. I hugged. I will hug. I stretch. I stretched. I will stretch. I clap. I clapped. I will clap. I count. I counted. I will count. I work. I worked. I will work. I search. I searched. I will search. I create. I created. I will create. I finish. I finished. I will finish. I visit. I visited. I will visit. I answer. I answered. I will answer. I push. I pushed. I will push. I pull. I pulled. I will pull. I start. I started. I will start. I meet. I met. I will meet. I study. I studied. I will study. I forget. I forgot. I will forget. I think. I thought. I will think. I smile. I smiled. I will smile. I laugh. I laughed. I will laugh. I cry. I cried. I will cry. I explore. I explored. I will explore. I design. I designed. I will design. I invent. I invented. I will invent. I imagine. I imagined. I will imagine. I observe. I observed. I will observe. I repair. I repaired. I will repair. I guide. I guided. I will guide. I encourage. I encouraged. I will encourage. I suggest. I suggested. I will suggest. I exchange. I exchanged. I will exchange. I lend. I lent. I will lend. I solve. I solved. I will solve. I present. I presented. I will present. I discover. I discovered. I will discover. I deliver. I delivered. I will deliver. I enjoy. I enjoyed. I will enjoy. I memorize. I memorized. I will memorize. I explain. I explained. I will explain. I relax. I relaxed. I will relax. I exercise. I exercised. I will exercise. I thank. I thanked. I will thank. I greet. I greeted. I will greet. I apologize. I apologized. I will apologize. I compete. I competed. I will compete. I persuade. I persuaded. I will persuade. I interact. I interacted. I will interact. I correct. I corrected. I will correct. I protect. I protected. I will protect. I analyze. I analyzed. I will analyze. I improve. I improved. I will improve. I prioritize. I prioritized. I will prioritize. I achieve. I achieved. I will achieve. I contribute. I contributed. I will contribute. I review. I reviewed. I will review. I adapt. I adapted. I will adapt. I negotiate. I negotiated. I will negotiate. I maintain. I maintained. I will maintain. I supervise. I supervised. I will supervise. I text. I texted. I will text. It's quiz time. 10 questions and 10 points each. Let's go. Identify the tense. I sang a song. Yup, it's past tense. Identify the tense. I swam in the lake. All right, past. I listened to music. What tense is this? Right, it's present. I will speak Spanish fluently. What tense? Right, future. I thought about the question. Past, correct. Identify the tense. I paint on a canvas. Yup, it's present. I will walk in the park. What tense is this? Right, future. I run in the mornings to stay fit. What tense? Present, nice one. I relaxed on the beach. What tense? Past, good one. Identify the tense. I will swim in the pool. All right, it's future.
Comment down below how many points you scored. Bye-bye.